Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Kijiji ad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete a Kijiji ad, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in kijiji.ca. Then once the homepage loads, be sure to be logged into your account, and once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the drop down menu right next to your profile icon. Then once you're inside, you'll find an option that says My Ads on the top. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside your ads, what you need to do is find the ad you want to delete. Simply scroll to your active ads and then locate the one you want to remove, and then simply tap on it. Then next to the ad, you look for the options like delete, remove or trash bin icon, and once you find it, simply click on it and then confirm that you want to delete the ad. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.